Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so the capture one. All we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in this configuration in the right lower corner if you will have it in other position in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. Hello. Can we enter the settings? All right, unfortunately it will not change the orientation, so let me just change the position of the whole device so it will be much easier for you to follow my steps. All right. So here we've got the camera settings, and all we have to do is to basically find the countdown duration, which will allow us to set the timer. So we've got three different options: the off option, which is currently applied, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me tap on 10 seconds delay. We've got it applied, so let's go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will basically set a photo, or take a photo actually. We can always turn it off, so let's go back to this countdown duration, tap on off. It has been set, so let's go back and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will take photos right after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.